point, I shall like to clear that the word masoom, where it is used, generally it is said that masoom is used for the prophets only. They are divinely protected from sins. What does masoom means? One who is divinely protected them from sins, whether major or minor. Masoom it means. And it is said generally that the word masoom is for prophets only, and as regards Sahabah Kiram, they are mahfuz from sins, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave them this privilege and excellence. You understand what I say? But I shall like to explain a bit more. That, listen to me, Bismillah ar-Rahman. The word masoom is used in two lines, one for individuals and one for the communities. So, as regard the prophets, they are individually, one by one, every one of them, they are divinely protected from sins as regard the prophets. And as regard the companions of the prophet, they are divinely protected in their ijma. When they make agreement and consensus over any point, this is called ijma. And this is masala of Islam. And we have ample evidence in support of this, that the prophets are one by one, individually, fardan, divinely protected from sins. And as regards Sahabah, in their ijma, they are divinely protected from sins. When they make agreement, consensus on any issue, and there is no rejection from any side, then this is called ijma. And when Sahaba make ijma and only point, that ijma is also divinely protected from sins. So we say that ijma is Sahaba hujjat, and it carries a authoritative value. तो सहाबा का इजमा मासूम है, ये कहो सहाबा का इजमा मासूम है. All Sahaba, when they make agreement on any issue, we believe that that issue is under divine protection. Are you with me on this issue? You understand? For instance, Quran was not in form of a book at the time of the expiry of the Prophet. When Prophet ﷺ expired, at that time Quran was written in different manuscripts, different parts, in different files, in different surahs, and it was not in form of a book. Who gave Quran this position, form of a book? Who composed Quran Kareem in form of a book? Answer, Sahaba. So Sahaba, in their this action, in their this ijma, no one opposed to them from any side, then Sahaba in their ijma are masoom. If someone says that they are not masoom, then it means that Quran is not composed and is not safe under any masoom. And they can make propaganda that the composition of the Quran in its present form is not divinely protected from any mistake. Can we accept this composition? Can we accept that proposition? No. If someone says that Quran was composed in the time of Abu Bakr Siddiq and Sahaba composed, and their composition of the Quran in form of a book is not divinely protected in form of masoom, then there could be some in some aspects doubts, it can create doubts. So it is one of the basic beliefs that Sahaba are masoom where they agree on any point and there is no objection from any side. When Sahaba composed the Quran from different writers and formed a book, no one of Sahaba or any other make objection at that time. So it was agreed and it was ijma, it was consensus of the ummah. So these people are khair ummah, best of the people. When they make ijma on the composition of the Quran, why it is not under shadow of divine protection? ये बात